Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to make your photos pop using Canva's editing tools. Click the Create button to begin. From the available options, select Photo Editor to start editing your images with the chosen tool. For this example, select this option. We'll use it to demonstrate the next steps in the process moving forward. Click the Create Design button to start a new project. This opens the design workspace where you can choose your preferred dimensions and customize your content easily. To edit your image in Canva, select the image by clicking on it. Then click the Edit button. Several tools are available to enhance your images. You can adjust the upscale for higher resolution, remove the background using PG Remover, or use the magic eraser to delete unwanted elements. There's also a blur tool for softening specific areas. For example, select the blur option, then click and drag to add blur to any part of your image. You can enable autofocus for sharper images. Additionally, use the Face Retouch feature to enhance facial appearance in your photos. If there's text within your shot, activate the Graph Text option to recognize and process it automatically. These features help you capture clearer, polished images with added functionality, making your photography experience smoother and more efficient. To remove an image using Magic Graph, first select the image you want to edit. Next, choose the Magic Graph tool from the toolbar. Click on the area of the image you want to remove, such as this example. The tool will automatically select and erase the unwanted part. Now the area is empty. That's how you use Magic Graph to quickly edit and clean up your image. On Canva, you have a wide range of creative options. You can easily add various elements to your design, such as shapes, lines, or icons, by selecting them from the Elements panel. Additionally, you can use realistic mockups to showcase your work in different contexts and enhance your overall design. You can also use the jawlines feature. There are many additional applications available here that you can explore to enhance your project depending on your specific needs and preferences. This is how you quickly edit your design using Canva's editing tools. You just learned how to edit photos in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.